Hi guys, this is Teacher Jelly and welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if you are still new. So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe ay mag-subscribe ka na at i-click mo na rin ang bell button para updated ka lagi sa mga videos na aking i-upload. And so for today's lesson ay ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-multiply at mag-divide ng fractions. So sa unang lesson ay pinag-aralan natin kung paano mag-add at mag-subtract. Ngayon naman ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano ang multiplication and division of fractions. So if you are ready and if you are interested, then let's get started. Share screen ulit natin. Ayan. Para makita nyo kung paano tayo magko-compute. Okay, so for our first lesson ay ang multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. Okay, so para sa akin, itong multiplication of fractions ang pinakamadali sa lahat ng operations ng fractions. So bakit ko nasabi? So sige, magbibigay ako ng examples. So number 1, example, 1/2 multiplied by 1/3. Okay. So, unlike sa process ng addition and subtraction of fractions, sa multiplication of fractions, wala kang masyadong gagawin. So, kahit unlike terms or unlike yung kanilang denominator or yung digits sa ibaba, wala tayong gagawing anumang process, kundi direct multiplication lang. So, ano yung ibig ko sabihin doon? Ayan, direct multiplication. 1 times 1 and 2 times 3. So, sige, sagutan natin. 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 3 equals 6. O, diba? Ganun lang kadali. So, isa pa. Another example. 2/3 multiplied by 1/4. O yan, paano yan? So, direct multiplication. Multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay. So, yan. 2/12. Pero, hindi pa siya naka-lowest term. Bakit? Kasi meron pa silang common factor na 2. So, i-divide natin sila both by 2. And makukuha natin ang 1/6. Okay? Number 3. So, this will be the last and then proceed tayo sa division of fractions. So, another example is 1/5 multiplied by 2/5. O, ayan, pareha sila ngayon ng denominator. So, anong gagawin natin? Siyempre, ganun pa din. Multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. 1 times 2 equals 2. 5 times 5 equals 25. Okay. So, wala na silang common factor, kaya ayan na yung final answer natin. Okay? Nagets? Okay, so proceed tayo ngayon sa division of fractions. Okay, division of fractions. Okay. Yan. So, line natin ang ganyan. Kunwari tuwid, di ba? Okay? So, paano naman kapag division of fractions? So, before tayo mag-start sa division of fractions, meron muna akong kailangang uh, i-discuss sa inyo na main point. So, meron tayong tinatawag na reciprocal. Reciprocal. Okay. So, for this term, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng reciprocal? Kapag sinabi nating reciprocal, okay, yun ay yung kabaligtaran. Ayan. Like halimbawa, 1/2. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1. Okay? Ano pa? Another one is 3/6. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 3/6? It is equal to 6/3. Okay? Then next, the reciprocal of 4/5 is 5/4. Okay, 'di ba? So napansin nyo kung ano yung pattern, 'di ba? Yung denominator, ang reciprocal niya ay magiging numerator. So yung numerator ay magiging denominator. So ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So balik tayo dito sa division of fractions. So bakit ko diniscuss to? Kasi gagamitin natin yung term na yan dito sa pagsusolve natin ng division of fractions. Okay, so let's just take this example. 2/3 divided by 4/5. Okay. So, paano natin isolve ang 2/3 divided by 4/5? Okay. So, una muna, the first step, kopyahin ang unang given, 2/3. And then, pangalawang step, palitan ng sign ang divide at gagawin natin tong multiplication. Okay? Ayan na. Kita nyo. And then, the last step ay get the reciprocal of the second given or the divisor. What is the reciprocal of 4/5? It is 5/4. Okay? And then, direct multiplication. O, di ba? Balik lang tayo sa multiplication natin kanina. Ayan. So, multiply 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay, tanong. Lowest term na ba sila? So, hindi pa. Dahil they are both still divisible by 2. Okay? Or common factor nila ang 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, the final answer is 5/6. Okay, na gets? Another example. So, let's take this second example. 1/2 divided by 1/4 or 1/4. Okay, so what is the first step? Una, kopyahin ang dividend 1/2. Pangalawang step, palitan ang operation. Gagawin nating multiplication. Pangatlong step, kuhanin ang reciprocal ng pangalawang given na fraction or yung divisor. So, what is the reciprocal of 1/4? It is 4/1. And then, the last step is direct multiplication. Ayan. Orange pala. Ayan, para hindi kayo malito. Okay? So, let's do the operation. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 1, 2. Okay? So, ang tanong, lowest term na ba yan? 4/2? So, hindi pa. So, pwede natin siyang i-perform yung ating operation na division. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, this is the final answer. Okay? Nagets ba? Okay, so, I hope na nagets nyo ang ating lesson ngayong araw na to, ang multiplication at division of fractions. At kung mayroon pa kayong mga request na ipaturo, ay i-comment nyo lang sa ibaba para magawa natin yan ng tutorial at matulungan ko kayo makapagsagot sa inyong mga modules. Ayan, so, thank you for watching. Bye!